Starting off with my Got To Be gel, I'm just going to apply that around the edges of my hair, laying the edges down, you guys. As you can see, these braids are well overdue, but we will get through it. And I'm just going to lay the cap down over my ears, over the edges, over the whole part that I applied the gel on. And now I'm just going to take the Got To Be Freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray that around the edges of my hair, along my hairline. You know, you want to spray enough to where it'll stick, and you want to spray it on all the areas of the hair. Like I said, you don't want to have no hair out. So now I'm just going to cut the area around my ear just to lay the cap down a little bit better. I don't know, this like an easy technique, a new technique I caught on to, but it does lay your edges down, because you don't want your edges coming up. Like, those are the hardest part to lay down. So I feel like this technique, cutting it around the ear, just give you a little bit more security when you're laying the edges down, because you want your cap to be laid down flat, nice and neatly. So yeah, I'm just going to cut, you know, the holes around the ear and let it dry. So now I'm just going to be taking my blow dryer, and I'm going to have my blow dryer on cool settings. And yeah, I'm just going to dry that, you guys. Don't rush. I like to rush sometimes when I'm doing my hair, but for the sake of this video, I'm just really going to sit here and let it dry on cool settings. So yeah, you guys, you want to make sure this part is completely dry. You don't want your cap or anything lifting. So yeah, I'll be back. Taking my shears, I'm just going to cut off the excess of the cap. You want to make sure that you cut right before your hairline, just so that your hair, or none of your hair on your edges will be out. So you just want to make sure you cut that as closely to your hairline as you possibly could. I'm taking some of the Got To Be gel, and I'm just going to apply that around the cap line, just so that it can lay down a little bit flatter and smoother. You might have a little bit areas that come up as you're cutting, but you want to make sure you take some Got To Be gel and lay it down as you go, just so that it can be nice and flat and secure to your head. Okay, you guys, looking at this wig, and after I applied this wig on, I noticed that I did not tint the lace. I only tint the roots of the wig unit, and this is a frontal wig unit. So yeah, you guys, I don't know what was I thinking to not tint this lace, but I actually was thinking that with me using this darker wig cap that it wouldn't be a problem, but I would actually have to go back and fix this lace, you guys. This will be, I think I'm going to, after I finish this video, I'm going to take it down and redo it, because I'm going to have to tint this lace, you guys. As you guys can see, this lace is white and It's not blending in at all with my skin complexion or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and tint the lace. I only tinted the roots and toned the blonde 316 wig unit. So after I applied this, you guys, I thought I was gonna be able to get by with probably the cap being as dark as it was. But yeah, it didn't work. It didn't come out like I expected it to come out. The wig laid down nicely, but I don't like the way it looked white with my skin complexion. So yeah, after I do this, I'm gonna have to show you guys after I tint this lace, because as you can see, the lace is very white. I also tried to take a little bit of my foundation and blend it in just a little bit. It did work a little bit, you guys, but I was still able to tell, and I can't be walking around with a white lace that's supposed to be going for my skin complexion. So you guys, I'm gonna have to reconstruct this whole lace unit, wig, or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to do my parting and take my Marcel straightening comb and straighten it, the parting area, just a little bit more. Like as you guys see it in the video, my scalp, this lace is completely white. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And here's the behind the scenes at the video shoot. I didn't even think about recording you guys, but hey guys, welcome back. I'm here about to do a photo shoot. I hope you guys can see me. I'm about to do a photo shoot, you guys, for my wig, Stay Stylish Hair, and wig, Stay Stylish Hair. This fan blowing me right now. But this is the first look. I think I got this on right. I'm not sure. Hold on. Let me see if I got this on right. Because I don't think so. Oh, yes I do. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to be shooting at. He ain't put the backdrop down yet, but hold on. No, she got it crisscrossed on here. It looks like she brought it to the back and then brought it to the front. Hold on, y'all. Let me, like this. Maybe the girl just got it on a different way. So yeah, this is the first look, y'all. I'm about to shoot, put up the backdrop that I'm about to shoot with. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. You guys can hear me. The fan blowing. Put a little least. I'm gonna be able to show you guys the whole photo shoot if I turn the music on. So I'm just showing you guys. I'm gonna have to just rewind it as I do it. But I really want to take these lashes off. I think these lashes are too like big. I'm like about it.
You want me to turn it off just in case? Turn up just a tad bit.
Like my hair blowing.
I normally do something small.
Y'all can't see me, but I am at my photo shoot, you guys. Shooting with, his name is Nick, you guys, and I will link his information down below. But make sure you guys shop Stay Stylish Hair for your affordable wig. Hope you guys ain't getting copyright with this song, but I'm trying to record this as quick as possible. I'm doing a photo shoot for my hairline. Just waiting on them changing backdrops. Make sure you subscribe to your girl. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop this because it's copyright.